Hello friends, I am Ekta Sharma again, and Assistant Professor, Biyani Group of Colleges. I welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on how to print the formats of stars or asterisk. Now let us see on the board. Suppose we want to print this format. It is this symbol is called as asterisk, and we want to print this format. So first of all, what we will do for our convenience and for our betterment, we will convert this format into a tabular format so that we can find out the total number of rows and the total number of column. As you can see, in this format we have row 0, row 1, row 2 and row 3, and here in the column we have column 1, column 0, column 1, column 2 and column 3. So we can conclude that there are 4 rows and 4 columns. Now let's see how we can populate or how we can make or print this kind of format into our output screen. First of all, as you can see, this is the integer data type. We have declared 2 variables, first is I and second is j, which we will use in our for loops. Next, that is the clear screen statement, which will clear your output screen throughout. Next, we have used the for statement. Now this for loop is representing row. First of all, the value of I is 0 and 0 is less than 4. So the condition is true. So we will go inside this loop. Now we have another for loop for j also. Let's see, the value of j is 0 over here and 0 is less than I, and I is initially 0. So the condition is also true. So we have come here in the body of this j for loop. Now as you can see, this print statement cout asterisk. So it will print the first asterisk on your output screen. So now we have the end of this for loop. Now as we know that this for loop, whenever we come to the end, this will go to this increment or decrement portion. So when it will be j plus plus, it means the 0 will convert into 1, and then 1 is less than I, where I is 0. So 1 is not less than I, condition is false. So you will directly come out of this statement, this for 1, and then you will forgot this cout endl. As we know that endl is used for the enter thing, it will perform the action of enter. So according to this statement, this we have reverb here, and then the cursor will come over here in the second line due to this under statement. Then again this loop ends and we will go to the increment and decrement section. As it will go on, it will print the whole format for us. So this is how we can print this format. So thank you so much for watching my video, and for more informational details and education details, you can of course visit to our website, that is www.gurukpo.com.